Hey friend, it's Leo here, digital market investor, fundraiser, legacy builder, and also known as Tutor Man. I'm here to show you how you can start and grow the business of your dreams and how you can take control of your business and your life. Now, in this three-part video series, I'm going to share with you in video number 1 how we can get cryptocurrency. In video number 2, I'm going to show you how we can get our profit maximizers and how we can start a business opportunity online that is sweeping the world. And number 3, I'm going to show you how we can take control of our business and our life. In other words, how we can use some strategies to share this business with the world and how we can automate that. And at the end of this first video, I'm going to share with you my bonus. So stay tuned for that. All right, now let's begin with how to get cryptocurrency. How to get cryptocurrency Tron TRX. The first thing we need to do is we need to go and buy Tron or TRX from a cryptocurrency exchange. I recommend Binance or Bittrex.com. I'm in Bittrex or global.bittrex.com, and if we click on instant, we can go on instant buy and sell. We enter USDT, which is called Tether, and we enter the amount, for example, $320. And then we're going to pay by debit card. So we add the amount, we enter our card info, and we confirm that, and we get the currency. Now, I already have the currency USDT in my account, as you can see. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into markets. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to exchange Tron. I'm going to exchange USDT for Tron. So I need to find the market pair, which is TRX USDT. So click on the market pair, and then you can see there how much the Tron is valued at the moment. And we're going to go and buy that. So I'm going to put in 100% of the amount, and I'm going to buy it for 3 cents per coin or 3 cents per token. I confirm that, and then I confirm the buy order. Easy or easy? It's very easy. So I select the price, the quantity, and make the buy order. But however, I purchased too low. So it's in the open orders section. I need to cancel that open order and go and place another bid, which is under the current price, or above the current price, so that then the order will go through. So I'm going to exchange Tether USDT for Tron. I'm going to enter the price at just a little bit above 3 cents per coin. So I'm going to put 0.31 per coin, enter 100% and place the order, and then confirm the buy order. So I've placed the order, and now as you'll see, the 100% of the order has been filled. Easy or easy? It's very easy. All right, so we've got our currency now, but we need to withdraw it But before we do that, the second step is, so step 1.2, we need to get our Tronlink wallet. So go to tronlink.org. We can get our Android wallet there. We can get our iOS wallet there. And we can also get our Chrome extension wallet, which is the one I'm going to be using right now. Now, I've already got that populated on my Chrome browser. Actually, I'm using a Brave browser, which is very similar. But I'm going to now add it to my account, as you can see, and then what's going to happen is we need to pin that to the screen, and then now I'm going to enter my password to log in. So it's at least 8 characters with a symbol and a number, and I'm going to continue. Now we can create a new account and then store our 12-word seed phrase, or we can restore. I'm going to restore because I already have an account with Tronlink. Now, this is our recommended wallet, so I just need to set an account name. I'm going to call this one Daisy, and I'm going to continue. And then I'll need to enter my mnemonic phrase, which is a 12-word seed phrase. I've already recorded that previously. It's on a card. So now I'm just going to enter those words in and continue. All right, now I've just entered those, and now I need to select the account, which is this one. There's already some currency in there. I've already got Tron in there. Now I need to also confirm that I want to use this, so I needed to press the continue button there and then refresh the screen. Easy or easy? It's very easy. So because my screen was small, I needed to tilt my screen to actually see the button to press. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to collect the recipient address, wallet address, and I'm going to go and add that to my whitelist in Bittrex. So in order to withdraw, we need to add it to the whitelist. So the withdraw whitelist has already listed the address where I want to send it to. And it's just as easy as adding the address and typing in the currency and then saving the address. Now it's been authorized to be sent out. So what I'm going to now do is click on withdrawal, enter my recipient wallet address, which is my Tronlink wallet address, and then I'm going to enter the amount, which is 100% of the amount, and then click on the withdraw TRX. So I'm going to withdraw Tron. I need to go to my mobile phone to enter the authority code that I receive for the 2FA. All right, the transaction has now taken place and we can confirm the money has gone into the account. So you can see there the pending withdrawal from Bittrex is authorized. And then when I go and check my account, check my Tronlink wallet account, you will see that there is money in that account. Easy or easy? It's very easy. All right, fantastic. There you can see there now the $977 has been received. Now I'm going to share with you my bonuses. When you go to watch the next video, it's going to show you how to start the business of your dreams. We are going to now get our profit maximizers. Now, when you get started in your business, so in other words, you'll come to me and you'll say, Leo, can you give me the link to join? And I'm going to give you the link to join now that you have your cryptocurrency Tron. And then you're going to add that into the browser and it's going to get you started in your own business. Isn't that cool? That's really cool. Now, not only am I your sponsor, but I'm there to hold your hand to take you from where you are today to where you want to be with your business. And so the bonus that I'm going to give you is I'm going to place you in my power line. I am building a power line. So I got started and I opened a position under myself, and then I put my first top leader under that, and then I put my second top leader under that, and I put my third top leader under that, and now you're joining, and I'm going to put you in that same power line that I am building for me and my team. Okay, now, so when I build that power line, all you have to do is go and build the next line for yourself. But you will be guaranteed to get $128,000 or more in that power line. That's my commitment to you, to build that power line for you, that first leg. And then all you have to do is you will just build your second leg. All right, isn't that a cool bonus? It's absolutely awesome. Now, so that's the first bonus. The second bonus is that you'll be able to plug in with me, right, and work with me. And so if you need any tools or resources, I'm going to give them to you as a team member. How does that sound? Cool or cool? And also you'll be able to work with me and I'll be able to work with you. Okay. And my third bonus is that if you partner with me, in other words, if you open 3 tiers, in other words, if you open we're talking about the profit maximizers, there's 3 of them. So if you open the $100 slot or the 100 tier position, and then you open the $200 slot and then the $400 slot, if you open the first 3, my friend, and activate them, you're going to get my third bonus, right? So you're in my power line. I'm working with you one-on-one to help you, even doing presentations for you, doing Zoom calls and everything that's going to help you to start and grow your business. And then in step number 3, to partner with me, my friend, I'm going to give you a copy of my website. So the same website that you watched with the same videos that got you excited about this, you're going to get a copy of that you can host on your own hosting if you want to, but I'm going to put it onto my hosting to begin with. And once you activate the 3 and you've got your own hosting, you can have a copy of that and you can activate it. How does that sound, cool or cool? It's absolutely awesome. So it's either I have it activated for you, right? So you don't have to do anything, it's done for you, or you can load it up on your own hosting account. It's really up to you. So those are the 3 bonuses. And now I look forward, my friend, to sharing with you video number 2. Okay, how we can start and grow a business of our dreams. Step number 2. I'm Leo Hockinen, also known as Tutor Man, helping people to help themselves and helping to free the world. Go right ahead now and watch the second video to start and grow the business of your dreams. Thanks for listening. Bye for now.